Have you ever wondered how you could have your own amazingly realistic model railroad, like the ones that you've seen at model train shows? A layout that's incredibly well detailed? A layout where the trains run reliably, without derailments and without erratic stops and starts? A layout that will fit within the space that you have available, and one that you can complete inside your budget, no matter how restricted your space or budget may be? The fact is, with the right help, you can.
For a start, you'll need the right information, laid out in the right way, so you can make the right decisions. And a knowledge of how to avoid the common mistakes that almost every rail modeler makes, not to mention those frustrating problems that waste so much time or cost a small fortune to fix.
Unfortunately, when it comes to model railroading, most problems are either preventable or fixable. It's great, but it's easiest when you can start out by knowing the best way to do things, where to find the answers you need, and how to solve and fix any problems quickly and easily yourself.
Problem is, starting off in the hobby can seem daunting, expensive, and time-wasting, especially if you have to search all over for the right information. And that's where this Beginner's Blueprint series of 6 ebooks can save you time, money, and frustration. Each ebook is simple to understand. You'll get to see proven step-by-step techniques and solutions to problems to make all the difficult tasks easy.
This series starts off with the planning basics, which walks you through the technical terms like scales and gauges, and shows you how you can avoid costly mistakes at the planning stage, especially those that will cause ongoing problems and spoil your enjoyment further down the track. This ebook shows you how you can start off small and then expand your layout as your skills develop. It explains the advantages and disadvantages of DC current versus DCC and reveals the 13 steps to planning a better layout. And that's just the start.
Next is Track and Benchwork Basics, which discusses the different track options and what might work best for you. It shows how to construct solid benchwork, how to build a shelf layout, the best way to construct a modular layout, and how to prevent mistakes that can happen when laying track. There's valuable advice on avoiding turnout problems, ballasting, working out gradients, and joining baseboards. You'll even get step-by-step track wiring tutorial diagrams.
With the Beginner's Blueprint to Scenery Basics, you'll learn how to master scenery building, making trees, roads, mountains, tunnels, bridges, waterfalls, and ponds. This ebook has lots of diagrams and photos with great ideas to get you thinking about what you really can achieve. There's ideas for weathering techniques and constructing backdrops and buildings, all explained step by step, with the difficult tasks made easy.
Next is DCC Basics, which shows how straightforward DCC can be, even for an absolute beginner. You'll see why DCC is so popular and learn the simple rules to make sure everything works properly. It explains everything from command stations to power supply, throttles, decoders, and boosters. You'll get diagrams on DCC wiring for turnouts and more. This ebook proves that DCC doesn't need to be complicated.
Sooner or later, something is going to stop working, and you'll be faced with a decision. Do I repair it? Do I replace it? What the heck is wrong with it? The Beginner's Blueprint for Troubleshooting will help make your railroad a pleasure to build and operate without tearing your hair out by wasting hours just trying to locate, let alone fix problems. This ebook is a valuable resource for quick reference alongside your layout.
Why spend forever trying to resolve problems when others in the hobby have already worked out the best way to fix them? This 71-page ebook is packed with 138 questions and answers that you can use as your own private resource library. This alone could save you hours of painstaking searching for solutions when all you need is a simple, straightforward answer. Keep it handy near your layout.
Let's face it, creating and operating your own model railroad shouldn't be frustrating. It should be fun. The Beginner's Blueprint series will give you straightforward, no-nonsense, real answers to everything that you ever wanted explained. All step by step in 6 easy-to-download ebooks.